A legal showdown is set to unfold in Zimbabwe as the pressure groups take ZANU-PF to the Constitutional Court over the Resolution Number 1 of 2024, which is seeks to extend President Mnangagwa's term until 2030. Sanabina Mashkobdanyo Hachinsi, court battle looms as pressure groups sue ZANU-PF over presidential term extension. There was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. The case is scheduled for hearing on 9 February 2026. The challenge comes from civic organization led by Ibeju Lika Zulu and its Secretary General Mbuso Fuzwayo, who argue that the party's move undermines constitutional limits on presidential terms and bypasses the requirement for a national referendum. The controversial resolution adopted unanimously at the ZANU-PF's annual conference is defended by party officials including National Committee, who insisted the proposed extension is legal, procedurally sound, and necessary for political stability and economic development. In their court application, the civil groups argue that the resolution targets Section 95(2)(b) and 143(1) of the Constitution without public participation, violating safeguards designed to prevent unilateral changes to presidential term limits. They maintain that any attempt to amend these sections would, without a referendum, would be unconstitutional. ZANU-PF and government, listed as respondents in the case, argue that the application is premature, noting that no formal amendments process has begun. They contend that the resolution targets aspects of the Section 328 amendable Section 328(5), which does not require a referendum, rather than the fixed term rules under Section 328(7). The party has emphasized that any future amendments would follow the proper constitutional procedures, including public consultations and parliamentary scrutiny, to ensure legal and transparency. The case is expected to attract significant attention as it could set an important precedent on the limits of presidential term extension in Zimbabwe. Though Amiro Zvakaita muri Zimbabwe, pina comment section medu za fungo muri kudipa msuri pechiriko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.